My name is Daryl Bultitude. I work for John Swire and Sons, and I'm the systems accountant. John Swire and Sons is a multinational conglomerate. We have a public and private group. The private group are more well-known brands such as Cathay Pacific and Coca-Cola bottling plants, and the private group are companies more like Argent Energy and Swire Energy Services. My team is a small team. It's a team of 7 people, and we range from treasury management to FP&A managers. Prior to using adaptive planning, some of the challenges we faced were outdated software. They were really difficult to amend, and the output wasn't very pretty. And no one wanted to learn how to use the software, so it landed with one person and he didn't even want to use it. So his job was to find another solution, which is where we came with adaptive planning. The ICET team are great. They're really helpful, really friendly. I come to these events, these Workday planning events, so I can go to them with issues that we're currently facing and then take them to my team. But then the Customer Day also highlights new features that I wasn't aware of. Then I can go to my team and then say, are these the sort of things we're interested in? Today's Customer's Day has been really helpful. This is not my first, this is maybe my 4th or 5th, and I'll probably be at the next one.